Hey guys, I'm back with another probability video. This will be the last one. So we've recorded 4 probability videos with quite a few questions. It's been very broad spectrum, and hopefully this will really help you guys. With that in mind, please remember, we are always trying to reach young adults who do not have any help outside of school. And hopefully this will be helpful to you. So please like, share, and subscribe so that other young adults can find these videos as well. All right, let's get moving to question number 1. So the first question says a bowl contains 6 red beads, 8 black beads, and a number of green beads. We just don't know how many. So I'm going to make R. Let me get my pen set up here. Sorry. Right there. So R will be for red, and that's 6. And BLK will be for black, and that's 8. And green, G, will be for green, and that's going to be N because we don't know how many there are. So there are 6 red, 8 black, and some unknown number of green. There are no other beads in the bowl. The probability of randomly choosing a black bead from the bowl is 1/3. So I'll put 1/3 under here. How many green beads are in the bowl? Well, we know there are 6 red and 8 black. So we know right now we have a total of 14. So number 1, we know we have a total of 6 plus 8 to give us 14 at this moment. Okay, so the next thing we can do is we've got a relationship here in the black. We know the probability for black is 1/3, and we know the total is 8. So what we can do, put over here to the left, is we can say, we can find the total number of beads by using this formula. So total is times 1/3 is equal to 8. So I'm going to abbreviate total for T, and we're going to set that equal to 8 divided by 1/3. Well, 8 divided by 1/3, you got a fraction in the denominator, so you multiply by the reciprocal, and that is T total is equal to 24. So there's 24 total beads of red, black, and green combined. So the third thing we can say, 24 minus the 14 that we know about leaves us 10, and that 10 will be equal to the green. And that's going to be answer choice H. All right. Next. What do we got here? If a marble is randomly chosen from a bag that contains exactly 8 red marbles, 6 blue marbles, and 6 white marbles, what is the probability that the marble will not be white? Okay, so we have R for red, that's 8. We have B for blue, and that's 6. And we have W for white, and that's 6. So 6 and 6 is 12. And 8 gives us a total of 20. Okay. But they want to know, what is the probability that the marble will not be white? Well, that's just simply totaling the red and the blue. 8 and 6 gives us 14. So there's 14 chances out of a total of 20 that we'll choose either red or blue instead of white. Now that can be reduced to, reduce it by 2, 7/10. And that's going to be answer choice K. Okay, we have a deck of cards. And it contains 10 red, 10 blue, and 10 yellow. So red for R, 10. Blue, B, 10. And yellow, Y, that's 10 cards. The players take turn, each drawing a card at random from the deck and placing the card on the table. So the cards don't go back into the deck, they stay on the table. When it's the fourth player's turn, there are 3 yellow cards on the table. What is the probability that the fourth player will draw a yellow card? Well, we know we have a total of 30 cards. We know out of that 30, 3 of them get drawn, and we know they're yellow. So we're going to take the number of yellow cards and subtract 3. That's going to leave us 7 yellow. Now, we had 30 to begin with, but there's only 3 less, which gives us a total of 27. So at this point, since we don't put them back in the card deck, we'll have a probability of 7 out of 27 cards of drawing a yellow. And that's going to be answer choice B. Okay, next one. So we have a pie chart, and then we have a key next to it. And notice it says distribution of registered voters by age. 42% are in the age of 20 to 35. 18 to 24 are about 8%. 56 and up make up 11%. 45 to 55 make up 25%. And 36 to 44 make up 14%. Now let's read the question. The circle graph below shows that the distribution of the registered voters by age for a community. Registered voters are randomly selected. So they're randomly selected from the distribution to be called for jury duty. What are the odds that the first person called for jury duty is in the range of 25 to 35? So we know there's 100. And we know the range 25 to 35 is the black area, which is 42%. So we're going to subtract those 42. That leaves 58. Okay. What are the odds? Now they want the odds to be set up in age range, age, to not. in age range. So the age was 42, and the ones not in that age range is 58. So the odds are 42 to 58. And that's going to be answer choice E. Well, I guess I could have reduced that, yes, by 2. So that's going to be 2 goes into 42, 2, 1, 21. And 2 goes into 58, 2, 18, 29 times. So actually it's 21 to 29, answer choice D. So be careful. This is a good learning lesson. I just jumped to the answer once I had the number set up. I forgot about reducing it. So be really careful. With that being said, I hope this was a good learning lesson for you guys. And I know some of you are getting ready to take the ACT and or the SAT. When you go take it, don't worry about it. Just sit down and take the test. Stay focused on the test. Don't look up every 10 seconds to the clock. It'll distract you. Stay focused on the exam and answer the questions. Okay, guys. I wish you all the best, and I will catch you next time.